Today I'm drawing delicious fruits. Let's draw and paint them together. First I'm drawing a strawberry. And I'm drawing a banana. There is an apple. Here is a grape. Now I'm drawing a slice of watermelon. And cherries. Here is a kiwi. And finally I'm drawing a slice of orange.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Ta-da! Let's paint! Red. Fruits are so healthy.
Father and I went down to camp a lion camping
Light green.
and there we saw the men and boys
Do you love to eat fruits?
Yankee Doodle, sit up, Yankee Doodle dandy, not that little dusty dandy.
I love fruits so much. Yellow.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Red.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
These fruits look so delicious.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady. Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
on next week.